Gatho cia mwanya ni guthina mbere ukorwo twanite na ithui thiini wa metha itu ya mohoro ya Gikuyu TV ririkana turakurehera mohoro maya imwe kwa imwe kuma muci munene wa Kenya niguo Nairobi tutiramenya haria uri ni gituri kiriku ri kia buri wa Kenya twaririe kugerera namba icio twako twikunegeria no mbere datu na kiurikio two kuri muthenya muthi ni kana hihi we ni na buri wa Kenya ta ucokete na thutha hari kuhitana na ndamathi ya ugumania ukirigithe na ripoti ya rekiri muthenya muthi ni kambuni ya Transparency International
ni matutumire ndumiriri ya kuoni waku wa kana asha thini wa 0721890311 ngenda shekeru Facebook ni Gikuyu television na thini wa Twitter ni TV_Gikuyu tugithi na mbere na mohoro maitu ni ati gikundi kia arutwo kia Kenya Student Christian Fellowship ni gikoretwo kirehete hamwe makiria ma mathukuru igana rimwe na arutwo 5,000 mucemanio-ini uria ugutafanitio muthenya wa umuthi
arutwo aya magomanite ni gukorwo makiamukira mathomo matiganite megie kwifanga thiini wa miturire kana muturire wao
kigomano giki kiuma thukuru-ini wa Kirwara uria uri county ya Murang'a toria mwandiki witu wa mohoro niwe Maiko Njoroge anatariria
ari njira imwe ya gukuria arutwo na uhoro wa ungai riu arutwo aya ni monetio njira ya kuhoya.
Pray for the protection of your parents, brothers and sisters, cousins, aunties, uncles and grandparents. Pray that they remain strong and healthy. Declare no sickness will ravage their body, and every plan of the Satan against their life is turned upside down. Declare there is peace, love and unity in your family. Pray that those who not have born again will believe and accept the gospel this year in the name of Jesus Christ.
Na wirora turutaga ni wa gucokaniriria arutwo tora ma gucokania muthenya wa umuthi nigetha magie na muthingi wa kigo kia Ngai na nigetha ona tukimathomithia mamenyage ati kwina muturire ungi thutha wa muturire uyu.
Agithie na mbere na kwaria na nyumba ya mohoro Gikuyu TV muikariri munene wa giti riu ni oritie thirikari ingirire gatagati guteithagia ikundi ta ici o ta uri aratariria
koguo ona no turia thirikari kana aria mangihota kuheana uteithio nundu wa ministry ya arutwo tondu arutwo ni makoragwo matikanirio muno makanitha ni makoragwo na indo mangiheana nigetha arutwo mahunjirio koguo no tuhoe uteithio kuri makanitha na no tuhoe arutwo uteithio kuri andu othe awendi mwega nigetha mateithie ministry ya arutwo nigetha ihote kurugama wega.
Riu kuona nao arutwo ni makenetio ni ndeto ino makiuga ati ni mateithikite uhoro wigie gukura kingoro kuko makiuga ati kumenya mwathani ni njira imwe ya kugiririria waganu mathukuru-ini.
Mwathani agocwa ndatumana KCF ya Murang'a kuria tumanirio na njingi na twahunjirio wega na gutikana ati ndu wetigirite Ngai ko gutigitigirio tura na twerwo atiriri ati ungihoka Ngai no gwikira maundu mothe.
Arutwo ngiri nyingi iria cikwiyumiritie muthenya wa umuthi na guthikiriria mataro maria maraheo riu nake muikia wa ndurumeni gikundi-ini giki ni atariirie muoroto wa gikundi.
He maundu matatu maranina ciana citu muno uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia kwagarara watho na kugia na mitugo itakinyanirite na twita KCF maundu macio ni tumotokite kuhinyiriria na gwikira mukonde nigetha ciana citu ona igithoma na igeka maundu maria mangi mothe cimenye Ngai ni we mbere.
Murang'a County, Gikuyu TV, njitagwo Maiko Njoroge.
Na tukimurika ripoti igi huku Nairobi ni ati atumia atongoria rungu rwa hema ya Embrace ni maugite ni ihinda ikinyuru atongoria undu mwe na muingi bururi-ini gukorwo makiiga ureti haraya na handu hau gukorwo makirongoreria kugia na urumwe na gukorwo kana urumwe uria gutigirira ati buri wa Kenya ni wakorwo gitacukia makinya mbere megie uthii wa na mbere.
Matongoretio ni Rachel Shebesh uria ni mwandiki ruhonge-ini rwa gender atongoria aya ni maugite mukenya uria wi matura-ini ni gukorwo akigu kana wiguithanio uria wiriga kugia gatagati ka mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta mari na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro niwe Raila Odinga kuria ningi oritie aria othe matara unyita baru makorwo magikagwo.
For us, we are beyond the political rhetoric. What we said is Embrace is we will move away from the politics. For now, the country doesn't need this politics. And we are all agreed on that point. What it needs is that woman at the grassroots to ask, what are the leaders up there doing for me? And what is going to be different as we move forward, especially around the Building Bridges initiative? Remember that we are focusing ourselves around building bridges because it is the movement that we have seen that may be changing the way things will happen in this country. So where we are at the grassroots, we are talking across the board. There is no woman left out. Everybody is invited into embrace, and in fact, those who would have issues coming to us, we will look for them and give them comfort as to why embrace is nothing else except a movement building bridges for Kenya.
Tukiuma Nairobi tuhure gataru muiko ginyagia county turigaini ya Machakos ni ati mathikuota maheni na cartels aria makoretwo magitherikira migunda ya muingi o ndomwe na andu kiumbe county ino ni mahetwo mukana wa ukinyukirio makinya makaru make watho ni thirikari.
Mukana uyu uheanitwo ni minister wa ciigie migunda niwe Farida Karone hindi icira riake county ino ya Machakos kuria ningi augite thirikari iri ihenya-ini gutigirira ati andu othe thiini wa county ino aria mari na migunda ni maheo title.
Oni augite ciiko cia wamukiri wa heto o ndomwe na motungata matari mega thiini wa ofici cia migunda county ino na Machakos ikorwo ikihitano nacio ginyagia ndagika ya muthia ni thirikari.
I think we know that in Machakos we have a long running challenge of squatter invasion on private lands and public lands. That is one of the issues we really want to deal with this year, because there are a lot of challenges with squatters invading either public land or private land. One of the things we want to do this year is to make sure that every parcel of land in Machakos County is properly registered, and those that are not properly registered, the challenges are addressed. Some of the internal weaknesses that we have, it's just we have small offices, so the registry is quite congested. So we want to try and look at how to decongest the registry. One of the decisions we have made today is to create another registry in the county. So we are going to gazette a new registry in Yata so that we can decongest this registry.
Na ripoti yo ege county ya Machakos niyo iratuhe kanya ga kwamba gwikiria rohani no tutanamba gwikiria tukaririkania kiuria gitu kia muthenya wa umuthi turakuria kana ni urecireria bururi wa Kenya ni ukoretwo uregeretie digi uhoro-ini wigi kuhurana na ungumania twandikire aja yaku ya kana asha thini wa ngenda citu cia kiru thini wa Facebook ni Gikuyu television thini wa Twitter ni TV_Gikuyu na thini wa dumiriri guhe ni ukuhuthira namba ya 0721890311.
Nima bere ya tuthiete kuhumuka tuko tukikiria mwaro mwandikitwo wa mohoro megie wonjoria nigetha kurwa gituhanyuke thiini wa thoko itiganite undu na megie wonjoria akigunyira ati muthenya umuthi kambuni ya Kenya Airways ni kurirwe gicagura mundu wa mwanya hari kugacirithia motungata mayo bana mangi maikige tuko tugithie thiini wa wonjoria tumenye uria thuguri ya tidekeinia.